Smart Money Nation, with I was about to cuss. Smart Money Nation, what's going on, man? I'm back at you with another video. This is a follow-up segment from the previous video I just dropped on how to become an independent courier. We talked about the type of vehicles that you can use and how much money you can make with those vehicles in the last video. In this video, we're going to talk about how and where to get these vehicles to go on your journey to become an independent courier, and how much these vehicles can probably cost you out of pocket. As always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join us on here on the Smart Money Nation. If you like my videos, make sure you're hitting the like button. Share it with somebody that you value, because this is valuable content. Without delay, let's just jump right into it.
Hey, hey.
Alright, so I pretty much put in a nice little list for you guys. There's not that much on this page. I know y'all used to a whole bunch of things on this page, but so here are some of the places you could start looking for cargo vans, box trucks, pickup trucks, or just cars that you can utilize to start the independent courier journey on your own. So you have places like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Gov Deals, trucksales.U-Haul. So U-Haul actually sells some of their moving trucks, vans, and things like that. At some point, they always, sell them. You have things like Enterprise that sell their used cars after they've rented out for a little while. Places like that kind of keep up with the maintenance usually, so it's a decent place. The mileage might be a little bit higher, but it's a decent place to look around. Depending on your budget, some of these places might work for you, some of them might not. But the one thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure you're getting a decent truck, a great truck that's going to at least last you for the next year or so. And you want to have your budget in mind. So with that being said, and you got auctions too. So if you have access to somebody that has I think it's like an auctions license or something like that, you can look into places like Copart. Copart is an insurance auction, so they auction off old insurance cars from the insurance companies. So let's look at through some of them. Recommended budget for me, this is something, just a personal opinion, I would say somewhere between 5 to 7K is a recommended budget when getting your first cargo van. So let's look at some of the first place I have here is Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna drag it in from the other screen. I got multiple screens on here. So Facebook Marketplace, you just literally go to the marketplace portion of your Facebook and then search cargo van. Once you've searched that, you'll see the results come in, and you can use the filter to minimize how far this might be, and you can also put your price in, right? So if I put in my max 7,000, minimum, let's just go 3,000, not 300, 3,000. You'll see it filter down. So you see you have 2012 cargo van. You have another 2000. This is a 2012. This is a 2007. There's decent options between this budget, right? So go through it. Facebook Marketplace is a great place. You can also negotiate with a lot of these people selling these older cargo vans. You even have a very, very old box truck that's up for sale. So that's one place you can find an affordable cargo van or box truck, is Facebook Marketplace. Another one that you can look into is Craigslist. Okay, so Craigslist is another place you can look into. So if you go to Craigslist.com, I think the last video we were looking at some of these. You can go for sale and go to the car section. Where is it at? Cars and trucks, and just simply type in cargo van or box truck or pickup truck, which whatever you're looking for. And you can also type in your budget if that's something you want to do. Another great thing about this one is also that there is no you can always negotiate with the sellers here, right? So you have a 2010 Transit 6900. You have a bunch of different varieties and options. These are minivans. I don't know why they're popping up. So not too much options on Craigslist. Craigslist is being used less and less as time goes on. It used to be, you know, the place for this type of thing, but now we're seeing a lot more people transition to Facebook Marketplace. But let's keep it moving. So another one I told you guys about was the U-Haul truck sales, right? So if you go to trucksales.uhaul.com is where you can find vehicles for sale by U-Haul, right? So they're old vehicles by U-Haul. So you can see, you can get box trucks for as low as $4,000, $4,100. So just go to vehicles for sale. You can actually find it by the type of vehicle, or you can look by your location. So let me see. Yep, so you just type in your location here, and it will, let's just say Washington, D.C., 50 miles, search, and it'll literally give you listings of the vehicles that are for sale. You just go to, these are different U-Haul locations. So once you click on view inventory, let's just click on the first one. This is their inventory at this particular location. They have, you know, a full truck here for $6,500, 113,000 miles. But yeah, so you can go location by location and see what's available on U-Haul truck sales. The next one is Enterprise. Enterprise has higher priced trucks. Their cargo vans are a lot newer. I'm sure we can probably filter it. Let's just filter it by the year. Okay, so the lowest year they have is 2013. Right, so let me move this 2013, and let's take it down to like 2014 and 13. Okay, it's just giving me cars at this point. Can we change it by body type? Yeah, okay, so zero found. So they don't really have older trucks, but that's another option you can look into. Keep an eye on them. What else? Gov Deals. Okay, so Gov Deals, this one is a great one. This is where you can buy old vehicles from the cities, counties, and states, vehicles that belong to them. So vehicles they may have in commission, you can buy it from here, right? They auction off surplus items, government items here. So if you go to govdeals.com, that's govdeals.com, and then go to cars. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. Cars. I don't know if it's under cars or vehicles. Let me see. Okay, so it's right here under vans. Okay, so if you click on vans, there's 113 of them. Not all of them is going to be close to you, so some of these might be out of state. It is auction type, so you would have to come on here and bid on these vehicles, but you can get decent vehicles for decent prices. Really good vehicles at that for decent prices. So check Gov Deals out. They have, you know, really good deals on here. So that's the final place I would say to look at. So that about wraps up the video. I gave you guys the budget that I recommend, and then the places you can actually look into to get used cargo vans, box trucks, pickup trucks to start your independent courier journey. With that being said, I thank you guys for watching. I will get back to you guys with another video. If you liked the video, found it informative, hit the like button for me. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. I will see you guys in another video.
Hey.